Today we will learn how to add standing scenery using Photoshop Generative Fill. As you can see, this is our original image. Go to the toolbar. Click on the lasso tool. Select the person from the image. Then click on the Select menu. Click on the Inverse. Go to the Edit menu. Click on Generative Fill. Here you can see that I have already created some prompt using AI. I will copy any one of these prompts. Paste it in the prompt box. Click on the Generate button. You can see that a standing background scenery has been created. Here you will find some more variation of this scenery. Now we will take another prompt and see how it come out. Let's see the scenery created with all our prompts. Thanks for watching the video.